Okay, quickly let's start. So you are given two lists of closed intervals. Each list of intervals, each pairwise disjoint, return the intersection of these two interval list. So yeah, we are going to return the intersection of these two intervals. The other problem was merged interval. We saw how it worked. This problem is talking about the intersection of these two intervals. Okay, so there are two lists. As you see, there are two lists, right? And they are also, it says sorted. Okay, yeah, it is sorted. Wow. So we don't have to sort it anymore because it's already sorted. Okay, so it's like, you know, two sorted array or sorted linked list is there and you are going to merge them. So very I would say very simple, same exact strategy we will follow. Okay guys, and I'm going to solve it. Actually, I think it's very straightforward problem. I don't want to waste much time here. Okay, so int I equal to 0, int j equal to 0, while I less than first list length and j less than second list length. We just want to merge them, right? And I'll say I'll take a list of integer array as my result equal to new array list. Fine. Okay, now as usual, this I'm just following this article. It's telling blindly merge. I mean, it should be intersect, actually not merge, but yeah, let's do the blind intersect. Okay, let int start equal to what? If two values are intersecting, for example, let's take two values from here, 1 3 and 5 9. Actually there is no intersection here. 0 2 5 10, yeah, this one, right? 0 2 and first list and second list, 0 2 and 1 5. Yeah, 0 2 and 1 5, they will intersect, and 1 2, right? So what happened? 0 and 1, so we took the maximum from here, and 5 and 2 we took the minimum from here. That's what I'm going to do. Math.max first list 0, not 0, I, and 0, and second list j and 0. Okay, so the max value of both 0 and 1. Okay, and this one should be mean value. You see this 0 2 and 5 and 2, minimum is what? 2, right? That's what we are going to do here. 1 and 1. Okay, start and end we found. Okay, now if we'll say if it is valid window or not, so start less than equal to end. Okay, while see, you should always check about this condition, equal to or not, with your interviewer. Okay, or see some example here. For example, let's see if they are same, equal. Is there any example here which is yeah, this one, right? So start and end, you see 25 and 25. Okay, 25 and 25, actually they are taken as an intersection. Okay, 25 and 25, 24 and 24, they are taken as an intersection, so it should be less than equal to. If they are intersecting, then we'll just add this new values, int start and end. Okay, now we just have to move the pointers. So this is another important step. So when we compare to array or linked list in sorted order, uh, like you just think as if you are just comparing two values, and if let's say you are just comparing those two values and you are sorting them, then what will you do? You will take the smallest value and put it in the bucket, right? And then move the smallest uh, like move the array pointer from which you took the smallest element, right? So that's what we are going to do actually. Okay, and all of this interval problem, as I said, we usually first sort with the first index. In this case already sorted in the first with the first index, but when we do some comparison or taking some decision, then always look at the second index. Okay, and that's what I'm going to do here. Okay, this is the technique, guys. I'm just following the technique. Okay, I have done the homework already, I have done my research, I'm just following the technique in an interview environment. So if the what am I doing here, if the first index is less than the second index, second list, so first list second index, second list second index, if it is less than, then I have already actually like let's say if they are merged, I have already put them. If they are not merged also, anyway I know that it's the smallest element, I'm just going to move my pointer. Okay, and else I'll say j++, and finally return uh, result dot to array new int is it, yeah, 0. Okay, so let's see, yeah, it is working, and yeah, finally this passed all the test, it, and I'm done. Okay, now let's see similar question, another question. Okay, so another question is merge sorted array. No, merge intervals, we did it already. I'll just go back because I don't have that problem. I want to do another problem here. Similar question. So meeting rooms, yeah, let's do this problem. Okay, cool. Again, I didn't want to see the solution. I didn't see the solution, by the way. I am just in an interview environment. I'm going to use the same thing, same strategy, what I learned from this article, and I am going to solve this problem. Okay, so it says meeting rooms can attend meetings. Okay, this is actually very simple problem, guys. If there is a overlap, then clearly we are going to say that this guy cannot attend all the meetings. Okay, so first thing first, we will sort the element, but before that we'll do a sanity check. If length is equal to less than equal to 1, then what will we return? We'll say return true. Okay, because if it is one interval, then we can attend that meeting. Okay, now what will we do? We'll actually sort the elements by its first index, and we want to yeah, and then we want to compare with the previous element, the current element with the previous element, right? So let's do this. Okay, let's say arrays dot sort, and then intervals, and then ab, okay, and a first index, b first index. Okay, our array is sorted. I'll take the previous value as my first index here, I'll start my for loop int I equal to 1, I less than intervals dot length I plus plus. I'll take my current interval and this would be I. Okay, and now I'm going to just check if my current interval 0 is less than the previous value second index, right? And time, so less than, equal to, or less than, that is one thing that you should always check with your interviewer. Okay, so but this is like we can use some common sense. Let's say I have a meeting from 9 to 10 and there is another meeting from 10 to 11, then I can definitely attend both of the meetings. So um, equal to we can actually remove from our case. So let's say return true finally. So here return false and return true. I don't have to go through all the check anymore, because if I cannot attend one meeting, then I cannot attend all the meetings for sure. Okay, let's do this, run. Okay, submit. Ooh, what happened? What is wrong? Okay, previous. Oh yeah, there is one more thing I missed it. Okay, so this is very important, garage. Previous equal to current. We always have to do this. I forgot last time also, but yeah, I have to do this. Cool. Yeah, that's it, guys. Did I miss any other problem? Similar question. Let's see. I wanted to do maybe another problem. Merge intervals I did. Intersect intervals I did. Meeting rooms too I did, and I also did this problem. I bet there was another problem. Let's go here. Let's see something from here. Merge intervals by 2 times. List interaction we did. Meeting rooms we did. Meeting rooms 2 we did. Oh yeah, 4 types, 4 questions by the way. Yeah, no. Yeah, I am writing here, never forget to set previous intervals, right? Okay, merge intervals, but 2 times I have mentioned merge intervals. Why? Oh, I see. Yeah, here also. So one special case, when you merge intervals, use array sort, then merge by reference with previous and add current interval to result. Yeah, very important, guys. That's why people ask this question. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. Do not forget to come to InterviewDose.com and look at all these articles, guys. Beautiful articles. I have done a lot of research and finally I'm writing all these articles. Okay, so yeah, see you. Cheers.